Look how beautiful this fried rice look. This coconut fried rice came out so delicious. Look at the marvelous color. Come over into my kitchen and learn how to make this lovely looking fried rice. We are going to start first by cooking the rice. For this you will need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of coconut milk with 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Actually, you see me add 1 spoon there, 1 teaspoon there, but later on I did add an extra spoon to give it a nice color. I also add 1 teaspoon of crushed allspice and 1 seasoned bouillon to give it a salty flavor. To this we are going to add also 2 cups of rice that is already washed. And we are going to give this a nice stir and leave it cooked for about 25 to 30 minutes on medium low to low. And this is what your rice is going to look like. You see how the grains are shelly. This is the kind of rice we are looking for. A nice looking shelly rice. So we are going to set this aside and we are going to continue. So these are the lovely ingredients I'm using: some spinach, red onion, minced red bell pepper, ginger, some pepper if you like spice, and of course some garlic. And this mixed vegetable here, this is a package of different. Here we have carrot, corns, and beans, and that's our lovely fried rice. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new and delicious recipes just like this one. The ingredients and measurement for this dish will be listed below in the description box. Once you add the onion, garlic, pepper, and ginger, you are going to allow it to saute for about 4 minutes until you have a nice light brown color. This is where the flavor, the fragrance release. So now we are going to add our mixed veg. Carrot, peas, beans, and corn. This is our main bell pepper or sweet pepper. So we are giving everything a nice stir. So we are going to go ahead and add some flavor. That's some garlic powder and onion powder. That's about a teaspoon each. And we are adding a teaspoon of dried rosemary. To this we are also adding 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. So around about after 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes later, we are going to add our rice. I love the way this rice came out. And you notice this is fresh rice I did. So here also you notice I add the spinach for last because I don't want spinach to overcook. So that is why I had it for last. Look how beautiful this fried rice looks. Mouth watering. Most people cook fried rice with leftover rice. You can do that also, but just know that you can also cook your fried rice from scratch the same day. Just follow the instruction, cook the rice as how I show you, and you will have a beautiful fried rice like this. Look at this, so easy and looks so beautiful. I'm so in love with this rice. Beautiful. So this fried rice can serve up with anything. Actually, I would eat this with some baked chicken, or as you notice, I add it with some shrimp. At the end of the video, you are going to see where I serve it up with some shrimp. Actually, I'm going to do a complete video show you how I did my garlic shrimp. So this is a beautiful dish, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like. Subscribe to this channel to receive more of my lovely recipe. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you all for watching this video.